Welcome to Zentali Meditation. Let's begin by settling into a comfortable position. Close your eyes softly. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale, releasing any tension. Focus your attention on your breath. Feel the cool air as you inhale and the warmth as you exhale. Continue breathing deeply at your own pace. Allow your body to relax, starting with your toes. Feel your feet soften and release any tightness. Now, move up to your legs, letting go of tension. Feel your hips and lower back. Relax. Let your abdomen and chest soften with each breath. Bring your attention to your shoulders, letting them drop. Relax your arms, your hands, all the way to your fingertips. Let go of any tightness in your neck and jaw. Soften the muscles around your eyes and forehead. As you relax, focus on the purpose of meditation. Meditation is a practice of stillness and presence. It helps you connect with your breath, your body, and your mind. Now, let's begin by visualizing the gentle flow of breath. Picture a calm, wide ocean before you. Imagine the waves slowly rolling toward the shore. Each wave represents a breath. Steady, natural, soothing. As the wave approaches, feel your body inhale. As it retreats, feel yourself exhale. There's no need to rush or force the rhythm. Just observe the natural flow of each breath. Let yourself become one with the rhythm of the waves. Meditation is learning to flow without resistance. Now, shift your focus to your mind. Imagine sitting beside a clear, still pond. The water is perfectly calm, reflecting the sky. As thoughts arise, they form small ripples in the water. Watch the ripples spread, then disappear on their own. There's no need to stop the thoughts. Just let them come and go. like ripples fading. Feel the calmness return, bringing clarity to your mind. This is meditation, allowing thoughts to arise without attachment. Now, bring your focus to your chest. Visualize a small, steady flame glowing softly within. It's warm, peaceful, and unwavering. No matter what distractions arise, the flame remains steady. Feel the warmth of this flame spreading through your body. The flame represents your awareness, always present and calm. As you focus on the flame, distractions fade into the background. Meditation is about tending to this inner light. It grows brighter as you continue to pay attention. Now, simply rest in this awareness, in this calm. Breathe deeply as you focus on the steady flame. Let yourself become familiar with this feeling of stillness. You are learning to meditate by being present. It's not about controlling the mind, but observing it. You can always return to this state of peace. Now slowly bring your attention back to your body. Begin to notice your feet again. Feeling the ground beneath you. Move your awareness up to your legs. Feeling their presence. Bring your attention to your hips and your back. Feel the connection of your body to the surface you're on. Move up to your shoulders, feel their weight. Notice your arms, your hands resting gently. Slowly bring awareness to your neck and head. Feel the soft muscles in your face, relaxed and calm. Take one more deep breath in. And gently exhale, feeling refreshed. As we close, remember meditation is about presence. It's about learning to observe and let go. You are building a practice of peace and stillness. Whenever you feel ready, gently open your eyes allow yourself to return to the present moment. Take with you the calmness you've created here. You've begun your meditation journey today. Thank you for joining. Zentali Meditation. Don't forget to like and subscribe.